How to add or change your Bumble profile picture. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add or change your Bumble profile picture, you need to go to the profile settings. Here in this home screen at the bottom left, you can see the profile icon. Tap on this. Once you're in this profile page, at the top, you can see your complete profile option. Tap on it. Once you're over here, in this photos and videos section, you can see a bunch of photos that you have added before. Now, in order to add or change your profile picture, you can simply move the picture at the first. So whichever photo is at the first, that will be your profile picture. For example, right now in the first photo, you can see this main tag. So this is my profile picture of my account. If I move the second picture in the first, now that photo will be the main picture, and your profile picture will be changed accordingly. So that's a very easy process to add or change your profile picture in the Bumble. Now if you go back to your profile, as you can see, the profile picture has been changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.